It took me 4 years in the gym just to add 10 kilograms to my pull-ups. Can you imagine? I've wasted 4 years of training making barely any progress. And it takes such a big toll on you mentally and physically because you're putting the reps in, you're training every single week, you're putting the effort in while none of your friends even train and you're not making any progress. And this really gets to you, you know? It's not easy consistently giving it your all and getting no returns whatsoever. And this is why I'm here to save you and learn from my mistakes. I'm going to tell you exactly how to make progress and avoid any type of like a stage where you make no progress, like a rut or whatever. So the first thing you need to focus on, the most basic, is the diet. Obviously you need to be eating enough protein, maybe bulk up if you're skinny. If you're fat, you want to lose weight, then cut. The basics, you already know. Just eat clean, and depending on your goals, eat more or eat less. Calories in versus calories out. It's very simple, don't overcomplicate it. Don't listen to what anybody else has to tell you. And it cannot be easier. And the second thing, obviously, sleep. If you don't sleep well, then you're not gonna build muscle. Sleep is where the muscle is built, it's not in the gym. People have this misconception that, like, you know, when you train on your chest, for example, and you get sore and you're tired after doing a few reps and sets, that doesn't build any muscle. All you're doing is damaging the muscle fibers. And sleep is when these muscle fibers heal and become stronger and make you stronger and grow in size. So the training is the damage and the sleep is the recovery. Without the recovery, no muscle will be built. So prioritize sleep. I sleep like 8, 9, 10 hours and I sleep well. And of course, consistency. It's not about training as hard as you can once a week, but training, giving it like 70% twice a week. That's how you make progress. Over the long term, you want to keep doing it, you know. Imagine having this calendar and you write down each day you go in the gym. You don't want to have just a few check marks. You want to have as many as you possibly can. And don't worry about overtraining. If you're like your 20s or your teens, you're not gonna overtrain. You can train like 3 times a day, not just like weightlifting, but cardio and a bunch of other sports. And you'll be completely fine as long as you sleep and to have a good diet. And the fourth thing, which is actually where I made a lot of mistakes, is tracking your workouts. Track your exercises, track your sets, track your reps, track your weight. Everything that can be tracked, track it, trust me. If you just go in every day hoping to make some progress and not knowing what you did last workout, how can you progressively overload, which is like adding weights or reps? How can you expect to make progress if you have nothing to compare to? You have no baseline. Track your reps. And an app I use that I definitely recommend use is called Strong. It's free. By the way, don't buy any gym products. They're all useless. Don't buy anything. And something to go back to the diet actually. If you want to take protein powder, you like it, sure. It's safe. I take protein powder because I like it and it helps with cravings. If you want to take creatine, sure, go ahead and try that. I personally don't take it, but some of my friends do and it's fine. It's the most like scientifically tested, it's the most scientifically tested and well-known product. So you'll be fine taking that supplement too. So again, track your workouts. Trust me, it is important. Again, track your workouts. And something else I want to add to the workout side is that you need to push yourself. All the time I see so many beginners in the gym, or even my friends that I take to the gym, they don't push themselves hard enough. They stop when they have like 5 more reps to go. They stop when they feel uncomfortable on like bicep curls. They start getting tired and that's where they stop. But that's not where the real muscle damage and all the muscles are recruited. It happens in the last reps that you do, when you have like 1 rep in reserve, like 1 RIR, which you can only do 1 more rep and then you'll fail. You won't be able to lift the weight up. It's physically impossible. You want to get close as possible to this failure. The closer you get, the more muscle you build. Regardless of what anybody says, you should be tired. You should be fighting for those last few reps. You shouldn't just feel some burn and then say you're done. And the last thing I want to add is very important if you're a beginner. Just start. Stop making excuses. Stop waiting for the right time. The best time to plant a tree is now. There will never be a better time. There will never be a better place. Even if you don't know what you're doing, just go ahead and book with a private coach, or get a membership and watch YouTube videos. But stop wasting your time in this, oh, should I not, I don't know what to do. Trust me, the gym will change your life in ways you would never imagine. I couldn't even begin to explain. It's not just physical, it's not just confidence. It's a lot more than that. And you'll know when you start. We got this, bro. Lock in.